Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how can you use snap to grid feature within MS Excel. MS Excel is loaded with too many features which we don't use very often. But there are some of the hidden treasures. If we can learn, it will make our day-to-day work easier. So in this video, I'm going to share you how can you use snap to grid feature which will help you to beautify your Excel workbooks. Just before we start, I have a free course available which contains many such MS Excel related tips. If you are interested, check the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get into the computer to see how this particular feature works. Now, if you follow my mouse, in this particular tab, I have one data set, and from there, one chart has been generated. Now, let me show you few of the things here. Now this chart, if I want to place it here maybe in the G2 corner, I need to drag this particular chart and I need to place manually to find out the exact corner where it will be placed. While this is possible, this is time taking and the precision of the placement of your chart may not be accurate. Now let me show you one very easy feature within Excel. Whenever you are moving this particular data, if you press Alt key of your keyboard, you'll be able to see now the movement got changed. Now it is getting snapped in every corner or in the next column or in the next row. So if I now place it here, you can see it's very well placed. If I just zoom it in, you can see it's very well placed. However, in the bottom, this particular width is not that way, right? Again, if you press Alt and then you drag it down, then it will be exactly the same width. The width of the chart also can be adjusted and in the similar way. Now, if I zoom out, you can see that this is placed in very accurate way. Now let me show you the example of the scenarios. It will be very, very helpful. Let me make copy of this particular chart. Now I'll try to place this particular chart in the exact top left corner. What I'll do, I'll press Alt and then I'll place it there. Now the second one, again I'll press Alt and then I'll place it here. Now before I complete, I'll change this width of this particular chart here and I'll also adjust placement of this particular chart here. Similar way, this can be also placed and its width also can be changed, and another one can be also placed here without much of the changes. Here I can see that only this particular chart width we may need to check height. Now it looks neat, right? So very quickly, within few seconds maybe, right, we adjusted all these four charts in a very neat way where all the placements and other things are very, very accurate. So this is snap to grid feature within Excel. It may be an easy tip, but it will be a very, very useful one if you are already not aware of it. Hopefully you learned something new today. If you found it useful, give this video a like. Also, consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye for now.